Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Zapier with Kajabi. This integration allows you to automate workflows between Kajabi and thousands of other apps, saving you time and streamlining your business processes. Let's walk through the setup step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to kajabi.com. This is where you'll access your Kajabi dashboard. Once you're on the homepage, look for the login button and click it. Enter your credentials to sign in. If you're new to Kajabi and don't have an account yet, you can click Get Started to create one. Having your account ready is essential for connecting third-party tools like Zapier. After logging in, you'll land on your Kajabi dashboard. On the left navigation panel, locate and click on Settings. This will take you to the Settings menu where you can manage various aspects of your Kajabi site, including integrations with external platforms. Within the Settings menu, you'll see several tabs at the top. Make sure you're on the Site Settings tab. From here, look for an option labeled Third-Party Integration and click on it. This page displays all the available third-party software that you can connect with Kajabi, giving you a comprehensive view of your integration options. Now scroll down to the MISC section. Here you'll find the Zapier app listed. On the top right corner of the Zapier option, click the Connect button. This initiates the connection process between your Kajabi account and Zapier. You'll be redirected to the Zapier overview page. Take a moment to scroll down and explore the integration samples and their processes. These examples show you what's possible with the Kajabi Zapier connection, from automating email sequences to syncing customer data. Once you've reviewed the options, click on Sign Up for Zapier. A new window will open. If you already have a Zapier account, simply authorize the connection. If you're new to Zapier, follow the prompts to create an account and complete the authorization. And that's it. You've successfully connected Zapier with Kajabi, opening up endless automation possibilities for your online business. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.